I wore red, white, and blue without even planning it. No big deal, right?
Actually, that's a huge compliment here in America.
My neighbor said, "You look like the 4th of July." I had no clue what that meant.
By the end of this, you'll know exactly what the 4th of July is and how to talk about it like a local.
Fireworks, the parade, the music, even what to say to your kids about it, all in 6 minutes.
Stick around because near the end, there's one mistake that trips up almost everyone.
Quick one for the comments. What's your favorite 4th of July song? Just drop the title below.
This is English Podcast with Edward and Loren. Let's get into it. Okay, so what is the 4th of July? Really, it's simply America's Independence Day.
Some people just call it the 4th or the 4th of July. Same holiday, different names.
Less history class, more vibe. It's cookouts, music, family, and honestly, a lot of noise.
It's a huge day for kids, too. 4th of July for kids means sparklers, face paint, and staying up late.
First real word, parade. That's when people walk or ride through the street with flags and music.
Our town's 4th of July parade starts at 10, and the parade music gets everyone hyped before it even starts.
Then at night, the big one everyone waits for, fireworks. Lights and color exploding across the sky.
The fireworks downtown last year were honestly breathtaking. Like, genuinely one of the best shows I've seen.
And you'll hear 4th of July songs absolutely everywhere. At the parade, the cookout, even in stores.
Toby Keith is basically the king of this holiday's soundtrack. His songs are on repeat everywhere.
Even Boston has its own tradition. The Boston Pops do a huge 4th of July concert every single year.
And some brands really lean into it too. You'll see companies like Black Rifle Coffee go all out with patriotic marketing.
Quick check for you. What do we call it when people march through the street with flags and music?
A parade.
Nailed it. That's a game-winning answer. Fast recap. The 4th of July, parade, fireworks, patriotic music.
The 4th of July, parade, fireworks, patriotic music. Locked in.
Let's hear this in a real text conversation between two friends.
Hey, doing anything for the 4th of July weekend?
Yeah, we're heading downtown for the parade, then staying for the fireworks. You in?
I'm down. I'll bring a speaker, so we've got some music while we wait.
My kids have been asking about it all week. They're so hyped for the fireworks.
Honestly, same. It's low-key one of my favorite nights of the whole summer.
With a coworker, though, you'd soften that tone a little bit.
Are you doing anything for the holiday weekend? A few of us are grabbing dinner. Feel free to join.
Same plan, just a more polite, professional tone for that context. Common mistake time, and this one trips up even confident speakers.
People often ask, is Target opened on the 4th of July? That's actually incorrect.
Opened describes a past action, but here we're describing a current state, so we need open.
The correct way to ask is Target open on the 4th of July?
One small word, and suddenly it sounds completely natural instead of textbook.
For the record, most stores, like Target, are usually open. just with shorter hours.
Quiz time! Don't say that. Say this instead.
You're inviting a coworker to a cookout. Do you say A, please come to my house and eat food outside? Or B, we're having a cookout. You should swing by.
Say your answer out loud before Loren reveals it.
It's B. Swing by. Sounds natural and casual. Option A sounds like a direct translation.
That's exactly the kind of phrase that makes you sound like a local, not a textbook. So back to that compliment from the start. You look like the 4th of July just means you're dressed patriotic. Red, white, and blue.
Quick recap. The 4th of July, parade, fireworks, cookout, swing by, and remember, it's open, not opened.
That's a full toolkit for talking about your happy 4th of July weekend.
Comment below, parade, fireworks, or the food. What's your favorite part of the 4th of July?
If this helped you feel more confident, subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.
Happy 4th of July, everyone.
See you next time.